Shanti, how do we relate quantum physics with Vedanta philosophy?
Yes. Major teaching of Vedanta philosophy is Brahman is supreme consciousness. And from Brahman, the Jagat is projected. Jagat means physical world. Okay. Everything in the physical universe is impermanent and is called Maya. Maya means cosmic illusion. This becomes so hard to accept looking at the scriptures that I am real, how could I be Maya? How could I be illusion? When I feel pain, I feel real pain. I feel hunger, is real hunger. So, with quantum physics explaining it, it becomes more understandable to understand the philosophy. What quantum physics found out, that entire universe is mostly empty space. There is nothing solid or substantial. Everything is made up of molecules, atoms, and within atoms is a nucleus, and in the nucleus proton and neutron and electrons vibrate around it. Deep inside there is nothing but empty space. So everything that looks solid to us, to our eyes and five senses, we perceive actually is not real. It is mostly empty spaces. Mostly empty spaces, that means if you compress entire universe, it will turn into a size of green pea. That is how much substance is there. Okay. Second thing, the world is illusion, because all the forms we see is not really the forms. The forms are held together because of electromagnetic energy. So that is holds together. That's why we say different name, different form. They are all illusion. Quantum physics, they found out everything and everyone is interconnected. So they found that any molecule is connected at one time, then it is split apart, miles apart. They act like one. If you turn one, other will turn. They did the experiment just few years back, and they did experiment putting them 14 miles apart, and whatever they did to one part did the same thing, the other thing. So theoretically, before Big Bang, everything was in the size of a pea, and with big explosion, everything spread into universe, and universe is expanding. So one time everyone was together, and we are apart, still we are connected. So this is why telepathy, clairvoyance, prayers, all these things will work, because we are interconnected. They called the field the quantum field. Quantum field is like Brahman, and from which the world is projected is called hologram. Hologram is three-dimensional reality that looks real to us but is not real. This hologram is our Jagat. Jagat, or the world. World is hologram. We are in charge to create our destiny. We are co-creator of our destiny, and we are participant in the universal plant. We are not the victim. They found when photon or any electron, any particle, when you don't observe, they act like a wave. Wave means it has many possibilities. It can do one thing or another thing. when we observe that wave takes a solid form in time and space, which clearly shows us that with our attention, observation and concentration, we can change our reality. Means everything is unreal. When we observe and we have intention, we solidify. So we don't have to take our life as it is, we can change it. They did the research before people believe DNA controls our destiny. Our genes control it. But the modern research, they show that we can change our DNA molecule and we have tremendous control. Only certain percent we cannot control. So quantum physics has clarified the main concept of Brahman is invisible force, all powerful, just like quantum field, which is without boundaries, without beginning, and from which entire universe is projected and can be projected over and over again. So understanding this, it gives us greater, deeper understanding from different perspective so that even skeptical mind can comprehend it.